Looking for a budget-friendly Xiaomi smartphone? Today we're comparing the Redmi Note 12 and the Redmi 10C to help you decide which one offers the best value for your money. The Redmi Note 12 sports a sleeker, more modern design with a glass back and a slim profile, while the Redmi 10C features a plastic back with a textured finish, providing better grip. Both phones are lightweight and durable, but the Note 12 feels more premium in hand. The Note 12 has a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. In contrast, the Redmi 10C has a 6.7 1-inch LCD display with HD plus resolution and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. For display quality, the Note 12 is the clear winner. The Redmi Note 12 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset, offering smooth performance for multitasking and casual gaming. The Redmi 10C uses the Snapdragon 680, which is also capable but less powerful overall. If you're looking for better performance and future-proofing, the Note 12 has the edge. The Redmi Note 12 comes with a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens, giving you more flexibility in photography. The Redmi 10C has a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a depth sensor. While both offer decent shots for their price range, the Note 12's additional lenses and features provide greater versatility. Both phones pack a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring a full day of use. However, the Note 12 supports faster 33-watt charging compared to the 18-watt charging on the Redmi 10C, allowing you to top up your phone much quicker. The Note 12 runs MIUI based on Android 13, while the Redmi 10C runs MIUI based on Android 12. With the Note 12, you'll get a newer Android version and likely better long-term software support. The Redmi 10C is more affordable, making it a great choice for those on a tight budget. The Redmi Note 12 costs a bit more, but offers significant upgrades in display, performance, and camera capabilities. So which one is for you? If you're looking for a more premium experience with better performance, a sharper display, and improved cameras, go for the Redmi Note 12. But if affordability is your main concern and you need a solid device for everyday tasks, the Redmi 10C won't disappoint.